channel, Sheila Wonderland. For today, we will be unboxing my 10th year anniversary gift to myself as an OFW here in Singapore. So, samahan niyo po ako to unbox. Ano kaya yan? Okay. So, ito na po yung gift ko sa sarili ko for 10 years. Since COVID-19 kasi ngayon, so hindi tayo nakaka-uwi sa mga pamilya natin sa Pilipinas. So, what I did is, at saka hindi din nakakapag-travel abroad. So, ang ginawa ko na lang is to buy a gift for myself. So, ito na po yun. I bought an additional sneakers for my collection, which is first time. It's an Alexander McQueen. So, here it is. So guys, it comes with a paper bag, as you can see, and the receipt, which is inside the envelope, and its box. Ayan po. So, pareho yung design ng box at saka yung paper bag. And behind the box is the Alexander McQueen logo. Here. Ayan. So, ito na po. Let's unbox. So, here it is. Napaka-crunchy pa ng paper. At saka ang puting-puti. So, I got the iconic design and the iconic color, which is black and white. Amuyin natin. Kasi pag mga bagong shoes o di kaya bags or may bago tayong mga binibili, inaamoy natin yun. Sniff test kumbaga. Daw. Medyo matapang po yung amoy. It's like, it's really, halata na treated yung leather niya, which is siguro to keep its shape na ganito pa rin siya, na hindi siya na-deform. So actually, medyo siya, matigas. So kaya tinitreat talaga nila yung leather na ganito katigas. Ayan. So, makapal yung swelas, which is the sole, makapal. And, ayan. Ito yung design ng sole niya. Outside. Tapos, inside, ayan, papel. And you can see its serial number po sa loob dito. Makikita mo yung serial number with your shoe size, which is 38.5 ito. Which is dapat titingnan mo kung nagmamatch siya dito sa box, yung size at saka yung serial number. Oh, inside the box, you will have an extra shoe string. That's all. And nothing else. But for those buying second hands, you have to really research. Tingin-tingin sa YouTube na may nag-upload ng mga YouTubers or di kayo magbasa ng blogs regarding on how to spot fakes versus authentic. And by the way guys, they call this one as an oversized shoes because of its design. It's bulkier than the normal shoes or sneakers that we used to wear. I mean, if you compare it with this sneaker that I have from Gucci, it's chunkier. So it's like that. So I'm happy and I'm so excited to wear this shoe, which I'll show you with different outfits goes together with this shoe. So that's all guys. Thank you so much. hit the like and subscribe button for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye-bye.